In this segment of the RUCKUS Total Rebuild, I'm going to discuss what a camshaft is, how it works, so we can have a better understanding of how the valves work in this little motor. And camshafts and valves work the same way basically as they do in this little RUCKUS motor as they do in a V12 Ferrari, except the V12 Ferrari has many more valves and probably dual overhead cams, which means they probably have 4, because that would mean probably that the head right here of a, say, like a Ferrari, would have, instead of an intake and an exhaust valve, it would have 2 intakes and 2 exhausts. So you wonder, well, why do they do that? Now that gets back to the theory of horsepower, and the point is that an engine is basically an air pump. If a engine can pump more air through it from the carburetor into the cylinder and out into the exhaust right here, it'll create more horsepower. That's the theory of horsepower. So if you have a bigger engine, it creates more horsepower. If you have a more efficient air compressor engine that pushes more air and fuel through it at any given time, you create more horsepower. That's why they have bigger valves or more valves, and we'll discuss that.